Here at Elias Woodwork, we understand that our industry is made up of diverse industry professionals with equally diverse needs and processes. Offering multi-channel order processes is essential to meeting those needs. With this in mind, we created an integrated online ordering system called Access Now that allows customers to get estimates, product pricing, place orders, track their shipments, and more anytime from anywhere. Our products are also available for spec through 2020 Design. Some professionals prefer to send us an email with a list of size cabinets they want to order, or use our PDF fillable forms. Our customer service specialists are on hand to help with the ordering process in whatever capacity is needed. Once your order is signed off and payment processed, your shipment date is confirmed. Our AOS specialist then makes any custom adjustments needed in their ERP program. From there, the cut lists and machine files are generated and brought to production. Production then starts off with sheets of 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch birch plywood, or white melamine. Sheets of selected material are sent to the CNC router, where parts are then cut, routed, and drilled for hinges, dowels, and pilot holes. There are 4 machines running at the same time cutting parts. Parts are then sent to the edge bander for matching edge banding. From there, the parts go to the bore and dowel machine, where holes are drilled for the assembly hardware. The pre-glued dowels are also inserted during this process. The cabinet parts are then carefully inspected to ensure all the assembly hardware lines up correctly with the boring holes. When the inspection is complete, your AOS cabinet boxes are wrapped and carefully packed on a skid that is sent to the facility where the doors, drawer boxes, and components are added to complete the order and shipped to your warehouse or job site. Get competitive pricing with Access Now online ordering, or call 1-800-665-0623.